Hey, good afternoon, Bob. Trade Genius, 17th of February. Just want to show you a couple charts here, really revolving around the SPY, SPX, ES futures, what have you. So this is a kind of a ratio chart that I look at for basically the market. Is there a risk to the upside or is there a risk to the downside? And so if you notice here, is when we get these breaches in my lower pane here, and you get a buy signal on our signal, okay, that this was telling us that it's time to go short the market, and then within basically 2 weeks we had the big sell-off, okay, and then this said, hey, the market was definitely oversold, come back. And then December, we got the same thing. December 4th, we started selling off again. We breached, okay, went low enough here. I'll explain what this is in a second. And then we just did it again here. And even though my system flashes buy signals, these aren't strategic signals. What I'm looking for is this oversold to come back in. And this is basically looking at the 1 month and the 2 month contract out on the VIX. And this is fuel. When this thing is less than 1 or it's falling, they're using it as fuel to push the risk parity guys into buying the market because they could take on more risk. And it gets to the point where they just can't do it anymore and they got to unwind these positions, and that causes the market to go down. Absent of anything else you need to know, this is a headwind to the market. And we're getting to a point now where, if you notice a couple things, one is then if you just look at the VIX itself, just the next contract over, they just ripped this thing down, and this is getting oversold too. Okay, not quite there yet, but pretty close, and we're starting to get some interest in momentum on this as well. So good time to, if you like to buy TVIX or VXXB, this is probably where you might want to start thinking about it. And then looking at the futures itself, the ES, is that it's run all the way up, only 23% of the way to go to back to the October highs. Pretty amazing if you think about it, where we were at Christmas. And this is all VIX lift, okay, and money being poured in from central banks around the world. But now we're at 2 deviations away. We're coming up on a fib here. A lot of lifting to get to here. I think the easy money is probably made now, and so we may climb up this 2,800. And thinking about it, Monday's a day off. They may try to push this bad boy up, so on Tuesday they could sell this market down. I understand there's some asset sales from the Fed happening this week too. Might put a little pressure on the market as well. Things tuned for perfection, and we know the world's not in a perfect mode right now. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you, and so just be cautious. I bought some puts 2 weeks out, small amount, selling puts against it. See if I can pretty much at the money. See if I can catch a move here, but we're close. And it'd be amazing if it got up to here, and it wouldn't surprise me, knowing that we really have a fake market, just trying to figure out what they want, and just kind of stay with the trend. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. I'm going to show you some day trading stuff here a little bit. So tomorrow's off. I'm kind of spreading my videos out. But it's a cool way to day trade that's a lot less risky, and also a lot less leverage, and has none of the day trading rules in on it. And plus we'll talk about how we look at levels and stuff like that, so we can get the best fill with the best chance of return. But I'll do it later today or maybe tomorrow morning. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.